As you can see, we're still stuck in a road. This exodus is unbearable, not only because of psychologically, as many people here, they are becoming refugee already third time in their life. But this exodus, it's also unbearable, just literally physically, because we already 60 hours spent in this road, and we still pass approximately 28 kilometer, and it seems like even during 24 hours we can reach border, because there is no connection. We have cases when people fainted or losing consciousness. They have several diseases, and there is no doctors, and in some cases parents or relatives have to go back to reach Russian peacekeepers' basement and to take doctors and bring here, like somehow they can help their relatives.